Top of the morning to you, champions. Me, Slim Rod. Lance, way over yonder. That's Lance. Lance! We're here at Norris yet again. The bite has supposedly turned on. We shall see. We're gonna throw red crankbaits, spinnerbaits, but other things. We'll throw whatever we think they might eat, but we're gonna focus on the red and the spinnerbaits. That's what the bite has been, according to several sources. So if we catch them, you're gonna see them. Like the video, subscribe. You are a champion. I'm starting with the Champion Jigs spinnerbait with a little bit of orange on that small blade. Feel like that'll show up good. I do got a 2.8 inch Kitech trailer on that, not dipped or anything, but I'm starting with that. There's no need for Mega Live or nothing like that right now. We're bank beating. Oh, crushed it. That's a good one. That's a good fish. Don't jump. Don't you jump. Whatever it is, pretty good. Oh yeah. Come this side. Oh, it's about to jump. Oh, it ain't.
Foul hooked, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the same one I caught last time.
I thought we got it.
Oh, it crushed it though. Just had him coming in sideways. Bunch of junk. Skunk buster! That's a skunk buster. You, oh, get out of here. Go eat and go a little. I'm not too far away from trying to wacky rig around some of this junk. There's one. That's a better one, maybe. No.
Better one.
Come off. No, it didn't.
I'd probably put it in line then. We're not keeping if it's a smallmouth unrated. I like a large.
That's a largie. Maybe a spot. We don't catch spots around here unless they're
4 pounds. Yeah, throw him in a live last time. We don't catch spots unless they're 4 pounds.
Yeah, we don't even. We shake them off. That was retarded.
If I ain't close to a state record, I don't want it.
Number 2. We're not keeping them. We just want a sweet picture. Got him?
Oh my God. Missed him again.
I got him. Big one. No, it might not be huge, but I got him. No, it's a good one. Oh.
That smallie?
Look like it. This is not that same rod either.
Oh, what's a good one?
Ugh.
That's a good one. Like
On the
Berkeley stunner.
on the stunner.
Oh yeah, put him in the live well.
Stunned him right out of there.
Oh dude, tank.
Big one?
Tank. Real.
Let me get him in here.
Oh,
Which way?
right side.
Right side.
Oh god. That sounds big enough. Still up. Oh dude.
Back to back. I'd like to get some more fish on this one for Woodrow. Big one.
Big?
Yep. Good.
Oh god. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Oh god.
Quit.
Oh god.
Quit.
That's a 4 pounder. All day.
Oh yeah!
That's a 4.
Woohoo!
3.5 anyway.
Looky her. That's on that Champion. Largie. Oh, look at the spots.
No, that's not 4. That's definitely 3 though. All day.
That is a beautiful
We're
fish.
gonna have a good picture just in.
It's been caught before too.
Yeah, here you go, pal. Let me get my camera out.
Oh,
Hold on.
look there. No, he ain't 4, but man, that's beautiful. Look at the spots. We're gonna get a weight on it real quick just to see. I'd say he's close to 3. He may not even be 3.
Feels like it's 3 pounds. I'm saying 3 1/4 all day long.
We'll see.
He's short, but 100%.
Built right. No. 2.77's the last number I seen.
Well, I thought sure it thing be over.
Almost 3. But that guy absolutely smoked it. Look at that gut.
Oh yeah. Right.
We're gonna put him in the live well just for the picture. Just for the picture. Yeah. Right there. He is not picture worthy.
I'm about to put a white swim bait.
Thank you. You're a little dude, but I love you. Oh, good. Decent.
Keeper all day. That's my line. That keeper all day. I'm getting smoked right now.
I'm gonna take a picture of that one too. Got him?
Yeah.
Go, Slim, go. Boat flip that sucker. Largy?
Yeah.
That's a good keeper. Oh, it's got the lipstick. That's that one you missed. Look there.
Oh yeah.
Look at the lips. That's beautiful. There it is.
One more jumbo, but
Got him!
another keeper.
Let's see. Man, it's fat though.
I don't know. I'll check it. No. Dude, you see my line move? Look at that.
I seen that.
Ah, that's the fish I just hooked, probably.
No,
Pretty good. Is that a small draw?
no.
It
Yep.
is too. That's the fish that just bit mine. 100%.
Should
I
we?
hate your guts.
Should we go ahead and take our picture or what? So, the pattern we have found has been these spinner baits. About hitting the bank with it and reeling it. I'm not burning it. I'm just kind of good constant pace. And that's white with just a little chartreuse. And we've caught several on it now, probably close to 10 on just the spinner bait. So I'm safe to assume that that is the pattern for today. There it is.
11.
Small jaw, good one too.
That one's 18. That's a long one. Well, actually, no, he's not. Never mind.
Oh, he's destroying my spinner bait.
Good one.
Oh, could have been bottom. Oh, biggin'. Big.
Is that small now?
Oh,
Dude, that's a 4 plus.
dude, look at that.
That's a good.
Oh,
That's a real good. I don't know if he'll go 4. What do you think? No, 3.5.
it'll be close.
Wait.
Looky there, folks. Half its tail gone. That'd be a good one.
What's that, number 12? He's weighing it. Let's see what she goes. 421. Well, going 414. It's 4-pounder.
4-pounder.
It's a good one.
This portion of the video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box, a longtime sponsor for Champion Jigs Outdoors. If you are not a subscriber to Mystery Tackle Box is a subscription box that you receive monthly boxes delivered to your door, crammed full of new and exciting baits in the industry. You will receive some of the best lures on the market, some of the most expensive brands on the market, and each box will be double, if not close to triple the amount of what you paid for it. Use my code ChampionJigs at the checkout to get your first pro subscription box for as little as $10, saving you money. Now, back to fishing.
We're gonna go ahead and get our picture. Let these fish go. There's that one, nice little smallmouth going back. Throwing it back. There it goes. Got that one gone. Or just be like zzz, zzz, zzz. Fish.
Number 4. Well,
Got him. Good. No, not huge. Not a huge one. That near 1.5 pounds. He was so fun though. Oh, you fired up. Love you. Folks, we're still just finding this running water coming in, throwing these spinner baits, slow rolling them, burning them, a little bit of everything, just flicking them in the back, going from there.
big one.
Is it?
Yeah. Pretty good anyway.
Oh God.
My drag totally slipped though. Hammered it.
Hammered.
He smoked it.
Like smoked a pancake.
17.
What? 17.
Thank you, sir.
Gone. Broke me off.
Dude. Have you been checking it?
No.
Dang, bro.
There it is.
That was a good one too. I need to bite mine. I can.
It'll probably come back up to try to get that out of its mouth.
Dang.
That's garbage. I knew I was about to get blistered.
There it is.
Get it, get it, get it. It's gonna try to shake it out.
I know, then we can might be able to scoop it up whenever it comes up if I can see it. You would have had it with the net if you'd had the net up there.
There we go. Got it. Oh my goodness! Never will that ever happen again! Oh my goodness!
Look at his nose. It's messed up.
Dude!
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Never will that happen again.
Let's
Thank
go.
you, Net, man. Oh!
Who gets the catch on that one?
I don't know.
We'll count that for both of us.
Dude, I'm mounting that bait. Forget the fish. I'm gonna put that bait on a shelf and be like, this is the luckiest bait ever made.
It's not. It's just because it had a bait in its mouth.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah. Out in the net, baby.
Nobody will ever believe that. Nobody.
It on video,
it's on video. Give me my bait.
Yeah.
Look at
Take
that.
the line next time. Oh yeah.
That's crazy. No.
18. I'm counting that. We're counting
We can either count that one twice.
we're counting that as a catch.
Yeah, we are. It's in the boat, son. Dude, that is stupid. That is stupid.
Oh. As soon as it hit the water.
Got him?
Yeah.
Good?
As soon as it hit the water, bro.
You need net?
No.
I don't think so. Look like smallmouth. Look brown. You've caught a carp. Get him, Slim, get him. What we got? What? Oh,
That's pretty good. That's an upgrade.
the boat flip that sucker. Yeah, it's definitely bigger than 1.8. That's a 2-pounder all day.
Oh, wow. There's a little moon right here. It says, give me the copy.
Oh, right there. Good one. No, it ain't good, but it's
20.
20. Smoked it. Smoked it. Smoked it. Number 20, folks. Number 20. What we've done, we've come to the backs of these creeks where this fresh water is coming into this lake, and we've throwed this bait looks about pathetic at this point, but it has been demolished. We've come back here, we've thrown in this incoming water, and we've caught 20. Idea. Get up here.
Oh, that's a good one. That'll be an upgrade. For sure.
Didn't get the hook set, but that guy come out of nowhere and just crushed that thing. Oh,
Put him in the live load,
he's hot.
just in case.
Which one of you guys is the best fisherman?
Me?
You.
That one. I caught 4. I'm the second best. You're the one right now.
4.
Yeah, I caught bluegill. He caught a bluegill and he caught a bluegill.
Blue?
Caught bluegill today?
Yeah.
Well, nice.
Well, y'all watch YouTube any?
Yeah.
We've been out filming a YouTube video for a YouTube channel called Champion Jigs Outdoors. You ever heard of Mystery Tackle Box?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm sponsored. I'm sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. How y'all like a box?
We love them.
Let's see. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna throw it at you, but I'm gonna throw it towards you, okay? I'm gonna throw it. I'll put it right here. Well, y'all can get to it. And y'all can open it. Only rule is you gotta share it. Is that cool? And you gotta go, when you get home, you gotta YouTube Champion Jigs Outdoors, okay?
Comment Slim Rod is the best fisherman on earth.
Open that up and see if you like anything out of there. If you don't, you gotta take it up with Carl.
You too, do.
Bring it up here.
Well, they said they would share, so.
Did you tell him thank you? That was
Thank you.
Hey, no problem, guys. Keep fishing.
So guys, end of the day here. I just want to say before J-Rod does this outro, I told him where to catch him, told him what to catch him on. He did beat me in numbers, did beat me in size, but that's okay. I was the guy today. But go ahead, J-Rod.
Okay. Just a quick recap. All we did today was we traveled all around Norris Lake, and we found creeks of flowing clean water into the lake. And this bait right here was the killer. I don't know how many out of the 22, 21, 22 we caught, but this caught over half of them, this bait right here. This is a Champion Jig spinner bait, custom Champion Jig. Go to championjigs.com, you can pick that up. That's all we did. That's all you gotta do.
And
Get you
guys,
some red crankbaits, get you some spinner baits, something like this. find those creeks, cast in that clean water, reel it through, kind of quick, nothing special, and you will get bit.
And I just want to say that color does matter. Show them that little orange thing right there.
Yeah,
You see that?
This is the only little difference between me and Slim.
Look at mine.
Is he had 2 willow leaves, but this little bit of orange, I don't know if it was just like if they could see it in this stained water a little better or what, but obviously that was the killer. So go buy some of them. Good for you. We're gone.